What is it? Well, if it interests you, it interests me.
It's an ME609.
Oh, with the big Zersterer.
Zersterer.
Did I say it right?
I don't know. Sounds good to me. But the interesting thing about this, I'm not sure if everyone is aware about the twin Mustang. The twin Mustang was actually two Mustang fuselages joined together.
No.
Look at this thing. There's two fuselages.
But it's only got one cockpit.
It is. Okay, so that's the difference between the twin Mustang. The twin Mustang used to have two cockpits.
Why would they do that?
Well, it's got two engines.
Yeah, but...
I guess it's easy to make.
Oh, okay.
Using common components.
Yep.
I'm not sure if the wings were different, although the wings look like they were the original and they made a new center section.
Ah, would make sense.
Yeah. So there was a bit of experimenting like that during World War II.
So they could use the same engine, the same flight controls.
Yeah. And still one pilot.
Yep.
And then use a lot of common parts.
But you wouldn't think that it would, because it's a fighter plane, yeah?
Yeah.
You wouldn't think that it would maneuver that well. Obviously they did.
Maybe not, but I mean, the Americans had the P-38 Lightning, which performed pretty well, and that was a big twin-engine plane.
Mm.
Yeah.
There you go.
So there's the Germans having a go, and that's from RS Models.
Have we had that before?
I don't think so.
This is from the Czech Republic.
It is.
Seems quite bespoke.
Yeah. Do you want to have a quick look inside?
Why not? We'd be the only people in the country with this.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know, but we'll say it.
You know me, I love casting dispersions. What have we got?
All right, I think we're super zoomed in, Alan. All right, that's better. All right, so RS Models. They've got some nice etched panel lines.
What was the last RS model kits you built?
I don't think I've actually built an RS Models.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel a challenge.
But you see how they put it together? So this is actually the single wing there.
Yep.
Okay, so they're using a lot of the common components from the single one. So that's basically, that'll be two kits together. So you could get the fuselages.
Mm.
Then the brown section here is that twin boom section.
So even in the model making kit,
Yes.
they've just utilized the two
Yes, they have.
planes.
So it looks like the wing tips are slightly different, although they're not a lot different. Just the tip itself. But yeah, it's the same sort of idea as in real life. They've got two aircraft and they've pushed them together.
There you go.
This one also comes with some photo etch parts, I think. Can I see photo etch parts here somewhere?
I think you're making it up. I
I
don't
could
think
have.
there's photo etch.
No photo etch? Oh, okay, it must have been another one I was
Comes with
looking
a
at
spare
before.
fingernail.
Spare fingernail.
Is that a fingernail?
No, that's a
Canopy.
canopy.
Can we call it a canopy?
Yeah. Your decals here, you've got some bees. They're pretty cute.
What does the bee represent?
A flying insect that hurts when it...
I thought you would have known that.
Yeah.
You know, Daniel would know that.
He would know that. He knows all the history.
There we go.
Yep.
RS
so
model.
there you go. That is the ME
609.
609.
What else have you got down there?
That's something a bit different.
A Zen.
I don't know. How do you pronounce that?
I'm saying Zen. How are you saying it? Are you saying Zlin?
I don't know. How phonetic is it? Is it Zlin? Or is it something else? Who out there knows how to read Czech? Because I don't really know.
Well, why not?
So you got a sports plane here.
It's a what?
Sports plane.
How do you know it's a sports plane?
Because there's no military markings on it.
What did they do for sports?
This looks like, you know, in the 1930s and stuff, they had all that air racing. Very
It
big
says
thing.
on it, Czechoslovakian sports aircraft.
Oh, there you go.
There you
I
go.
didn't even see that. I'm too blind to read that. It's really
So
interesting shape, isn't it?
That's pretty unique.
Yeah. So big engine, lots of power.
There's two kits in one box.
Is it?
Why is there two kits in one box?
I mean, there's two kits in one box.
I just told you. Oh, this one's got photo etch.
It has got photo etch. So it's got a different set of fuselage pieces, which
So
look
you can
shorter.
make it a single seat or double seat.
Oh, I see. Ah,
Yeah. So you can build it actually three ways.
but there's different fuselage parts here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's three ways.
Yeah, so you can build it as a prototype
Yeah.
or as a single seat or as
Yeah.
a double seat.
Oh, you got some resin there too.
Resin.
Yep. Oh, actually, I'm showing the top camera. No one can see that. Oh, there's some resin parts there. They're the browny yellow bits. They're the wheels and the wheel pants.
What did you call it?
Wheel pants. Didn't you know that? So those hubcappy things on aircraft wheels are called wheel pants
Wheel pants.
because it's like the wheels are wearing pants.
Not mud guards.
They're not mud guards. They're wheel pants.
Because
Telling
on,
you the truth.
on motorbikes,
Yeah,
they're called mud guards.
like on a bicycle as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, they're wheel pants.
I'm going to refer to them forevermore as wheel pants.
Some photo etch there. So bits of the cockpit, and I can't really tell the rest of it, which is a nice touch. It's a pretty compact plane, as you expect.
Well, it's 170.
72nd scale, sports plane, they'll be small, big engine, go fast.
I love that.
Yeah, nice, eh?
Big engine goes fast.
Yep, we love that.
Can fly.
And fly. All right, what else we got? I've got something that I don't really know much about.
What
I
is
thought
it?
it was really cool. It's a sea fang.
Sea fang.
So it's made by Supermarine, which made the Spitfire.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a little bit of resemblance, but the whole nose looks different.
It looks very similar to me. It's got a propeller and it's got 2 wings at the front.
Yeah, and one big engine.
Big engine, and it's
I
got.
don't really know much about it, but this is a Mark 31, which meant
Yeah, there was 29 others
probably or
and
30.
a prototype.
Yeah. So if anyone knows more about this, please let me know, because I don't think I would know much about a sea fang, because they made a Seafire,
I bet Dan
which
knows.
is the naval version of the Spitfire. What we got there?
Let's go to overhead stand and have a look.
So this is from AZ model.
This looks like a lovely kit to build.
Actually, the panel lines are quite fine on this, and it's got
It's
quite
really
a lot.
nice. Looks
got
like
the
it's
little
going
rivets
to
in
go
there too.
together quite well. It's got a nice robust sprue.
Yep.
Which is good for people like me. You know.
Bit hammer fisted.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's got some fine parts, but yeah, it's sort of chunky where it attaches. So you need some reasonable side cutters for that.
Well,
It's got the
you'd
individual-
only use 9 steps. One.
Oh, here you go. You got the prop blades. It's got 5 blades on this.
5 blades.
Mm.
Ah, see?
5-bladed prop.
Yeah, see?
Oh, there's a 3-bladed in there as well.
I was going to say the Spitfire. Everybody knows the Spitfire only had 3.
Oh, speaking with authority there.
No?
Yeah.
Everybody knows.
Yeah, it's nice. I
No,
like it.
I don't know.
Nice big sheet of decals. It's good, isn't it?
Different decals.
Yep.
Different moods.
I like it. We haven't stopped there.
More. You keep popping down there. How big's your room down there?
It's never ending. It's bottomless.
That Nan's not down there.
I don't think so. That
And Nakajima.
Yep.
Yeah?
KI-84. Hayate.
Hayate.
Yep. That's from Arma Model. Actually,
Yep.
Arma's doing some really nice kits.
Are they?
Surface detail really nice.
What was the last armor kit you built?
I don't think I've built one.
No?
I looked at plenty. I've built everything, you see. That's crisp, isn't it?
Ooh.
Oh, I think I've got to zoom in on
So you're
that.
going to have to take it out of the packet even. That's amazing. That is neck level.
Is that?
Yep. Boom. You can rivet
Look at
count.
all those rivets.
You can rivet count that.
Yeah, you can count all those, can you?
Again, it'd be really good for somebody like me that's a bit ham-fisted with the spray can.
And you see the wheels there? They're actually weighted wheels. See how
Yep.
they got the flat section?
I love a flat spot on a wheel.
And then you see those fine panel lines here too. Super nice.
That's a really
For a
nice kit.
72nd scale, they've done a supreme job, I think. Nice matte finish.
And I like that they've recreated the 4 prop.
And then over here, you got the cockpit area.
Yep.
So there's 2 choices. I can't really see what the difference is there. Can you spot it?
No.
Must be some sort of difference for them to give you
I
An option there?
want to be longer than the other one, surely.
longer, you reckon?
Well, I want to be like a single and a.
No, I don't reckon.
You don't reckon?
No, there's something
Maybe.
else different.
Maybe it's higher or lower.
Maybe. But that's nice. Done a really good job there.
I think you should build that one.
You reckon?
You had me at weighted wheels.
Did you? And there's a really fine struts.
But
You get
again,
4-bladed
it's all
prop.
done with big meaty sprues.
Yeah, that's right. So it's holding everything together.
Mm.
And I think, I like that because it is traveling from quite far away. And I mean, the boxes are reasonably strong, but
You
if
don't
you can
have
have this designed
rattling.
to, well, that's right. There's nothing loose, is there? Nothing's broken loose on it.
nothing that's broken loose.
Nice. Bit of photo etch. Brass photo etch in there. See if I can move this so I can actually see what's
Jiggle,
there.
jiggle.
Oh, wow, look at that.
What?
What are they?
Not sure.
That is all the wiring for the engine, for the radial.
Yeah?
Yep. It's a bit special, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
Yep.
Wouldn't you paint that? Would you leave it like that?
No, I'd paint that.
Would you?
But you'll be able to see all the fine stuff through the front of the cowl.
Oh.
Yeah.
What
Nice.
color would you paint it? Would you do it all different colors?
I don't know, whatever the wiring was meant to be coloured. I've got no idea. Would have been black, wouldn't it?
You'd think so. It'd be black or brown.
Yeah, I don't know. That's a good kit. I like that.
There you go.
All right, so here,
I think I've got a good idea for your birthday present.
right.